Sometimes we don't even realize that we're almost on autopilot. Like our old mindset is the one that's running the show. How's it going, guys? Miguel here with CFS Recovery. Today we're changing it up a little bit. We're changing the view. Normally you guys are used to just seeing me, cameras in one spot on a tripod. I'm just sitting or standing there talking, but today I want to change it up. Realize a lot of people watching this, they're stuck at home and don't really go outside much. A lot of people are super sick, they can't even get out of bed. So this time I'm taking you guys with me. So we're at the beach here, sunset. So I want to change it up and take you guys outside for a change. This video, we're going to be talking about how you have to be an active participant in your recovery. When I say active participant, I don't mean you have to be an active participant as in like super aggressive every day, going out, making sure you're recovering. I'm talking about taking charge of your life, taking charge of your body, taking charge of your mindset. And sometimes we think we're taking charge of our mindset when really our ego is actually running our daily decisions. When we constantly want to push, is that really what you want? Because the real you knows that you shouldn't be pushing. Or is it your ego? Is your ego wanting to push because it doesn't want to miss out on life? It doesn't want its friends to do all this fun stuff without us. It doesn't want us to miss anything because it thinks we're going to be left behind by life and we're not going to be able to enjoy things that other people are doing. So on the other hand, there's a lot of people who are searching for answers outside themselves, searching for answers of people who have already walked down that path, and they're looking for that one thing that they could do to recover, that one trick, that one diet, that one shift they could have. When really it's not that easy. When I say active participant, you have to change your mindset. That is the biggest thing. You need to change inside of you. Sometimes we don't even realize that we're almost on autopilot. Like our old mindset is the one that's running the show. So if you constantly find yourself doing the same things every single day, and when I say same things, a lot of the patterns I see in people is that negative mindset, that negative thinking, that as soon as they wake up, automatically it's, oh man, I'm super sick. What did I do to deserve this? Why am I in so much pain? Why does my body hate me so much? Why am I suffering? Why did it have to be me? It's the victim mentality. And is that voice always playing in your head? And is that keeping you in the position you're at right now? And a lot of times, our real, true voice gets put aside. The one that wants to get better, that truly, truly wants to get better, gets put aside because that negative voice is on autopilot in our mind. If you're in the position right now, which honestly, I think everybody goes through it when you deal with an illness like this. I mean, who wouldn't? You essentially lost the ability to do most of the things that you enjoy, right? And some basic abilities like being able to go for a walk in the park, you may have lost that. So of course it's going to be negative, but when you get stuck in that negative mindset, you no longer are in control. You are listening to a voice that is auto-playing. So to be an active participant in your recovery, you need to take back control. And you need to decide for yourself that I no longer want to hear these negative thoughts. I no longer want to keep searching for these answers, these miracle things that are going to make me magically better. I accept that it's going to be very hard, but I'm willing to work at it every single day and take it little by little, step by step, so that I could eventually reach my goal, which is health, to live a life that feels fulfilling, to live a life that I can actually enjoy. You need to actually mentally decide that that's what you want to do. It's not just going to come over time, and it's not just automatically going to happen. It's going to take a lot of effort to shift that mindset from being a passive participant, meaning you're just watching your life go by and feeling horrible and feeling sorry for yourself, to being someone who takes the bulls by the horns and decides that you no longer want to be this person. You no longer want to be sick. You no longer want to continue the same patterns that have been running your life for however long you've had this illness. And the moment you decide to change that mindset is when things start to change around you. But you first need to change what's happening within, right? You can have all the right tools, you can have the best environment around you, but if that inner voice, that thing inside you doesn't change, then it's not gonna work. Like, that is the root of the problem at the end of the day. It's what's inside, it's the mindset. It's what led you down this path. Because if you don't fix what's inside first, eventually, even if you do get better, if you don't fix that thing at the very core, you're gonna end up in the same position, if not worse, down the road. So I could go on and on about this topic. Honestly, like, you see me switch back and forth here. The camera's actually getting really heavy. My shoulders are starting to burn. What can I say? You need to become an active participant in your recovery, and you need to decide that you no longer want to listen to those negative voices and those things in your mind telling you that you're going to be like this forever. I need to say, no, I'm not going to be like this forever. In fact, I believe that I will get better. So it's a little bit of inspiration for you guys. Start looking within yourself. Or if you do find something outside of yourself, start applying it and change within yourself, because that's what's going to help you recover out of this, is changing what's within. Nothing outside is going to change your health. You need to change it for yourself, and it all starts with a mindset, because it all starts with your mindset. It all starts with your beliefs. As a wise man once said, John D. Martini, your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become actions become habits become your values, and your values become your destiny. But if you rewind that all the way back to the beginning, it all starts with your beliefs, and you need to believe that you will get better. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not next week, maybe not a month from now, maybe not even a year from now, but one day you will be better. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the nice view of the beach over here in beautiful White Rock, British Columbia. If you did this video, make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to know every time I release a video, and you can start applying the principles so that it can help your situation right away. I hope you guys continue on your path towards recovery and you move closer to your goals every single day. Remember, it takes time, it takes a lot of patience, but eventually, if you believe it, you will achieve it. And that's just not being motivational. For me, when I truly believed that I could get better, that's when I started to heal. That's when I started doing all the right things and thinking all the right things that eventually moved me closer to being a healthy person. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.